Carnival Glory guests, this is your cruise director Edgar. Welcome you on board. Here at Carnival Cruise Line, the most fun cruise line in the world, we are dedicated to the safety of our guests and crew. Your attention is drawn to the safety information notice and the ship's plan showing escape routes located behind your stateroom door. Please take the time to read all the safety notice truly and become familiar with the ship's layout, emergency signs, and escape route from your stateroom to your assigned master station. Additionally, please watch the safety video playing on your stateroom television and verify that you have enough life jackets for the number of guests in your stateroom. The captain requests that all guests who have not completed the self-muster process to do so now. Once again, the captain requests that all guests who have not completed the self-muster process to please proceed to their assigned muster stations now. All guest services will be suspended during the safety briefing.
Hello, hi.
Hey, what's going on?
My name is Michael.
What's going on?
I'll be your speaker steward. I'll be taking care of you. So anything you need, please let me know. And then I'll be starting to clean the room tomorrow morning. I will start at
Good
8 o'clock.
afternoon, Carnival Glory guests.
And
This
that's
is
it. So
Captain
anytime
Nicola
you say
Iacarino
go out, I will
speaking
just
from
go
the
ahead and
Additional
fix
Bridge.
it. Okay.
On
So
behalf of all
yeah.
my
Okay.
officers,
And then
staff and
if
crew,
you
it is my
need me to
pleasure
start,
to
just go
welcome
ahead
you
and
on
sign
board.
on the door so that I will not bother
Since
you.
safety is our highest priority, I want to remind everyone
See you
about
tomorrow.
the
Thank you.
importance of knowing what to do in the event of an emergency. All guests must complete their self-master process before sailing time. I want to thank those who already completed this important step. If you have to do so, please call here now. In a short while, your cruise director will be conducting mandatory safety briefing for the cast, and I urge all of you to please pay close attention to the important information we are about to hear. Thank you, and I look forward to see you during this cruise. Captain, we will now be providing you with a mandatory safety briefing. We kindly ask everyone to pay attention to this very important safety briefing. Use of mobile phones are not allowed during the briefing. All guest services will be temporarily suspended now. We will now demonstrate the emergency signal consisting of 7 more short blasts followed by the long blast on the ship's whistle. This will be supplemented by the same signal over the PA system. If you are sensitive to loud noises or small children, please be prepared. That was our general emergency alarm signal. In the unlikely event of an emergency, the general emergency alarm signal will sound. When the alarm sounds, you must take the following actions. Life jackets are stored in your stateroom, so if you are in your stateroom or in a location close by, change into warm clothes, collect your life jacket, travel documents, and any essential medication, and follow the direction signs for your muster stations. A muster station is where the guests gather in case of an emergency and can be identified by a square green and white with symbol showing a family group. If you are in a location away from your stateroom, please go directly to your muster station. Your muster station segment is noted in the bottom left corner of your cell and sign card, which is also your room key. It's also on the back of your stateroom door. Bring your cell and sign card for accountability purposes. Once you have arrived at the muster station, a crew member will give you a life jacket. If needed, put it on. The crew member will help you if necessary. You should remain calm and follow the instructions of our crew members. Muster stations are located on deck 4. If your muster station is not accessible, you will be guided to an alternative location as directed by the captain. In case of an emergency, we'll keep you informed through the PA system or directly through instructions for our crew. Our low-level light system will be automatically activated, guiding you to the nearest exit. When you check in our muster station, you watch a demonstration on how to properly wear the life jacket. I will now review this important information with you. When it's time to do your life jacket, place the life jacket over your head with the reflection straps facing outward. Pass the strap around your back and engage the buckle into the front. Adjust to a snug fit by pulling the free end of the strap and secure the top. Each life jacket has a whistle and a light to attract attention. For families traveling with infants weighed less than 33 pounds, 15 kilograms, and requiring additional instructions in how to don a life jacket, please reach out to our amazing youth team located in Camp Ocean immediately after this briefing. All children 12 years of age or younger must have a green wristband, which must be worn at all times. If your child has not yet obtained one, extra wristbands will be available at guest services. If your child is 12 years of age or younger and is participating in a youth activity when an emergency arises, you must first collect yours and your child's life jacket. If you're close to your cabin and safe to do so, before proceed to your muster station. The youth staff will escort the children to their muster stations to be reunited with their parents. For this reason, it is important to all the childs wear the wristband provided at all times in the event of an abandoned ship order. For our guests requiring special assistance, a special needs team will help you in the event of an actual emergency. In the unlikely event that is necessary to abandon the ship, you will be instructed to board an assigned survival craft. Guests requiring special assistance and guests traveling with children 12 years or younger will have priority in boarding. Members of the same family will board the same survival craft. The abandoned ship order will be given directly from the captain through the PA system. The team members appointed to assist are easily identified by safety hats or beds. They will be standing along corridors, stairwells, and their muster stations. Please take note of some additional information instruction. You should see anyone go overboard, throw a life buoy, shout "Man overboard," inform the nearest team member or call 911 on any ship's phone and maintain the person inside. In case of a medical emergency, call 911 immediately of any ship's phone. The medical center is located on deck 0, forward staircase. Benches are for sitting only. Standing or stepping onto benches, or leaning over, or sitting in railings is dangerous. Smoking of any substance is a fire and safety hazard on the ship. It is strictly limited to designated areas. Exact locations for public smoking areas can be found in your stateroom or the Carnival Hub app. Smoking is a non-designated area such as your cabin, balcony, or open areas is subject to a $500 charge. We are all partners in protecting the environment. Nothing should be thrown from the ship. Your personal items must be secured all the time, so accidentally don't go into the sea. Do not leave personal items including towels and clothing unattended on balconies. All garbage must be disposed in appropriate bins. Violations of these requirements will be reported to authorities and might result in a $500 charge, a fine, civil or criminal penalties from government authorities. Should you need any additional information, please check with your stateroom attendant or guest services. So the safety briefing is now over, which means the fun can officially begin. So everybody, I will meet you up on the Liddo deck for our amazing sail away party as we say goodbye to Port Canaveral and hello, hello fun. We'll see you right there. You're gonna meet your entertainment team, DJ. I'll see you right there. Ciao.